Japanese literature notes. Feel it with your eyes and ears. Today's title is Cicada by Nankichi Niimi. Who is Nankichi Niimi? Nankichi Niimi is a Japanese author of children's literature born in 1913. Born in Handa City, Aichi Prefecture. He moved to Tokyo at the age of 18 and became a member of the children's song magazine Chichinoki, under the tutelage of Kitahara Hakushu. He then published a series of children's stories in Akai Tori, Red Bird, magazine, which was presided over by Mikichi Suzuki. His best-known work is Gon Kitsune, the Gon Fox. He died of tuberculosis at the young age of 29, so he did not produce many works. In addition to children's stories, he also wrote songs, poems, tanka, haiku, and plays. Let's get started. Cicada. Cicada, come forth. On a moonlit night, come out of the soil. The root of the silk tree smells. Flowers and soil smell. Cicada, take off your clothes. Sing in the moonlit night. Cicada by Nankichi Niimi. How did you feel it? Please take a look at another video. Please subscribe to our channel. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up.